Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So, as you have read the title of this video, then you guys already know that Muhammad and I are going to Palestine. We are so excited to be going. Okay, so a little backstory about this because I know you guys are like, oh, okay, this is so out of nowhere. And yes, you are right if you're guessing it. It is so out of nowhere. So for those who have been following me for a year or so, you've noticed that every Ramadan, I have a campaign to help out those in need. The last 2 years, I have worked with Penny Appeal, which is a non-profit organization. And last year, they took us to the Gambia so we could see like all the great stuff that they're building there, helping the children, the elderly, building schools, masjids, so many things, so many great things. So last year, I held a campaign to raise money for the orphans in Gambia. And alhamdulillah, thanks to you guys, thanks to my supporters, you guys are amazing, mashallah. Like this couldn't have been done, this couldn't have happened without you guys. We reached a goal of $27,000 to build an orphanage for the kids in the Gambia. Alhamdulillah. And so this year they've changed the location from the Gambia to Palestine for us to go and see what's going on there and hopefully do our best to spread the word and also help the kids and the elderly who are in need. And inshallah, my mission will be to raise money to build another orphanage, inshallah, with your help. So this video is simply just to give you a quick background as to why we're going to Palestine. Oh my god, it's so surreal. Like it's so, I don't remember the last time I was there. I might have been 5, 6 years old. That's how long it's been. And to go also for a great cost like this, it's just, it fills my heart with so much joy. So yeah, we're going to Palestine, inshallah. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys the things that I'll be bringing to Palestine. I mean, you know, your travel essentials. I also want to stop and get some toys for the kids over there. We did that last year in the Gambia, so I would love to redo that again. My mom's gonna come over shortly, so we're gonna go do that. And I also need to buy my, you know, travel essentials like shampoo, deodorant, all that stuff. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me and hopefully you enjoy this video. I want to show you guys my YouTube room. I've organized it and it looks so much better now. So this is usually where I start packing. Look at this really cool thing I found at Forever 21. It's a luggage tag and it says mine. I mean, it's not really the cutest, but I really like it because my bag is, you know, black and gray and it's such a common color. So I'm happy I found a red tag to be able to tell which one is mine. And it says mine. So and hopefully whoever grabs my bag and sees this tag knows that it's not theirs, it's mine. But yes, anyways, this is my YouTube room. Let me know what you guys think. This is what I've done so far to it. And I got this from Target. A lot of you were asking on my last video. I got it from Target. So I'm actually going to remove this. This won't stay here permanently because we're adding like shelves and just you'll guys see later on. When we get back from the trip, we're definitely going to focus on this YouTube room. But yeah, we have really cool plans for this room. This is just here for now. I think it looks pretty nice. Anyways, I need to get going because my mom's outside and I need to start shopping for my trip. I just got home. It's pretty dark now and I'm exhausted. But anyways, right behind me are the things that I bought for the children we'll be visiting in Palestine, inshallah. These are just a few of the things. The other stuff I just put in my YouTube room, but I wanted to share with you just a couple stuff that I purchased for them. I grabbed a couple of these puzzles. I brought these for the kids in Gambia last year and they absolutely loved it. So hopefully this is something that they will like. I also grabbed a couple of soccer balls and basketballs. The boys really love playing with these. Jump ropes of all colors. And also got these magnetic drawing boards. I remember as a child, I loved these so much. I used to play with these all the time. So hopefully the kids like these as well. So yeah, these are just a few of the things that I bought for them and inshallah they enjoy it. And these are some of the items I went out today to buy as well. I got the morning and night facial cleanser. I'm trying out this product for the first time. Hopefully it's good for my skin. Some wipes, hand sanitizer, band-aids, Advil just in case. I really needed a sharpener. Vaseline, and oh, this is really cool. I got some makeup wipes and they're individually packed. Super cool. Love these so much. And yeah, you know, toothbrush, shampoo, body wash. I wanted to show you another cool thing that I found yesterday are these laundry bags. So pretty much you open this up and it gets a lot bigger and then you can put your dirty laundry inside of these. So I unzipped it and then you can see the insides. So once you unzip it, you can see how much larger the bag got. I also found these compression socks that are supposed to improve your circulation when you're in the airplane. So we'll see. Hopefully it works because my feet are always swelling. I got one for me and I got one for Mo. These are really, really long. Pack. I'm so glad I got everything I needed today. I thought it was gonna take me more time, but alhamdulillah, I used my time wisely. What happened?
What's on the ground? What the hell is it?
It's just all the stuff I'm going to start packing.
Like, trying to sell these things?
Sell? No. I'm gonna start packing this.
Uh-oh. Yo, look what we got though.
Oh, we got mail?
Yeah, man.
Is it from?
Nominal.
Oh, nice. Okay. So let me tell you a little bit about this company. They reached out to us and sent us a package, actually 2 packages.
Yeah.
They're so nice. So they sent us a whole bunch of stuff.
And like watch, necklace, bracelet.
They sell watches, necklaces, bracelets, rings. I mean, you name it, they have it.
And it's dope because it's also on like Arabic writing and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Arabic numbers.
And you can customize also, like you can add in your name and have them write it in Arabic. So let me show you guys the stuff that they sent us.
Alright, ooh, looks fancy. Alright, cool. Man, package inside a pack. That's so nice, dude.
I know. So,
ooh.
Ooh, it's so nice.
Let me see how it...
I hope it fits.
Yeah, well,
Let me see your watch now. Wait, what? It's so big.
Well, again, that's just because I wear like big face watches.
Yeah.
Okay, so the watch is really dope. The only problem is just it doesn't fit me, but it's so nice. So I gotta find a way to like get some links or something. The female's watch. Ooh.
Ooh,
yo.
That's so nice.
The color is nice, man.
It's really nice. I love
It's kind of
the
matching
color.
your hijab a little bit.
It looks so fancy.
I know. Oh, okay. So these are rings.
Ooh.
Now, I don't think these are definitely for me. That's nice, man.
Okay, I need a manicure, but this is really nice.
I know. Oh.
Ooh, I think I like this one more.
Salam, I like that the most.
What is this?
Oh.
Oh, that's a necklace.
Yeah.
What does that say? It says Alhamdulillah in Arabic. Oh, that's
let me
so
open it up.
nice. I love it.
I know, it's so nice.
Oh my
I like
god,
the
it's so
It's like
nice.
black. Let me see.
No, it's really nice. It's really nice. Did you get another one?
I don't know. Oh
You
man,
might
it's
have.
for you.
Oh, that's for me?
I wanted another one for me.
Is this a necklace or a bracelet?
No, it's a necklace. Yeah, a necklace. Oh, actually, I don't know. It might be a bracelet. No, it's a bracelet.
Huh?
It's a bracelet for you.
Let me see.
Female bracelet.
Oh my god, I'm gonna rock this right now. Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah, I put it upside down though.
Did you?
Yeah.
So the last two
I believe they're bracelets.
Bracelets!
Okay, so two sides. They have the English and then Arabic. In English, it says your faith has to be greater than your fear.
So that's the inside.
That's the inside. And then the outside right here. إيمانك يجب أن يكون أكبر من خوفك.
Ooh, yeah. I love these.
Which one?
Let's see the last one.
Okay,
Oh!
so I think these are for me. But man, I hope they fit, man.
Oh my god, these are
Oh,
super
man, I don't know if they're gonna fit.
Is it tight? It
It's-
looks a little tight.
It's a little tight. Like I can make. Oh. it's a little tight, but dude, it's so nice.
I
have
like
to
that
have
it
two
has a
hands.
magnet at the back. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
I just have to. One second.
You need help?
Give me a sec. I got this. I'm almost there. Wait on.
You need help. Oh, are you bummed?
Well, yeah, a little bit because I really like it, but it's just.
I know, they are really nice, no lie. I
And
really
the
like
watch
them.
too.
Oh, where
like
did it go?
Oh, it's in here.
Okay. Or the watch.
Yeah,
The watch
you,
didn't fit.
Yeah, everything fits you.
It's okay, baby. It's
At least I got
okay.
a chain.
I know, at least the chain fit you.
And this is
Just stick to
alhamdulillah.
necklaces, okay?
Yeah,
and
I
this
know.
one's really nice.
I
Like,
seen
I
another
really
one.
like it.
I seen another one on the site that says Untitled Kursi. You go to the website, you'll see what I'm talking about. It has it in silver and gold.
Oh,
And
nice.
that one's dope. This one's nice too, alhamdulillah.
So what are we gonna do now?
Oh, okay. So we gotta. So they already know we're traveling tomorrow. Inshallah.
Yes. How
We're
excited
going-
are you?
We're going to Palestine, man. Dude, I'm so excited. Wallah, I'm so excited. First of all,
Mo was so happy when he heard about the location for this
whenever-
year's trip.
yeah, whenever we go to Arab countries, it's just like it just reminds me so much of my childhood. Just like roving the streets,
Living overseas.
hearing the adhan everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't know. It just brings back good memories to me. So.
Alhamdulillah.
So not only are we just doing that, it's not like we're going to have fun, but we're gonna have a fun time with a good cause. You know what I'm
Yes.
saying? We're gonna meet a lot of people in different situations, like we did last year
Yes.
in the Gambia. So inshallah, it's gonna be a fun, good, educational trip for us. That inshallah we're gonna do
and
our
for the
best.
viewers as well.
For the viewers, we're gonna show you all the different programs Penny Appeal has, and inshallah we make an impact on those people's lives that we go to. So
Inshallah.
that being said,
We have to go
got some
pack.
packing, and then inshallah go see my parents and come back, and that's it. Just
And leave
chill,
tomorrow.
clean around, and
Clean
leave
around the
tomorrow.
house. We're leaving,
Yeah,
inshallah.
because
so
Omaya is literally a person that she cannot leave a house messy before she leaves. Like literally, she has to clean it.
let me tell you,
clean
this
her-
box is here
She hit all these boxes.
that are just killing me. See my house messy, slightly messy, really aggravates me. So definitely clean the house before we leave.
Inshallah.
So let's just start with packing and then we'll go to your parents' house, inshallah.
Sounds good.
All right, guys, we're leaving now to the airport.
Good to have everybody.
And see you, inshallah, tomorrow
Inshallah.
in Palestine.
In Palestine. Well, I'm man first, but Palestine.
Bye, guys.